Whether the key switch needs to be replaced regularly depends mainly on its actual use, working environment, and life expectancy. The life of a key switch is affected by a variety of factors, including the frequency of use, the environment of use, and the quality of the switch. Under normal conditions of use, the life of the key switch can generally reach several years. However, if the switch is often in a high-load working state or the working environment is harsh such as high temperature, high humidity, dust, etc., then the life of the switch may be greatly shortened. Therefore, in order to ensure the normal operation of the equipment and reduce the risk caused by switch failure, it is important to regularly check the working status of the key switch. If the switch is found to have wear, aging, or insensitive operation, it should be repaired or replaced in time. In addition, if the equipment has special safety requirements, or if the switch is used in a particularly harsh environment, then the switch may need to be inspected or replaced more frequently. In general, although the key switch does not need to be replaced strictly according to a fixed time interval, regular inspection and maintenance is necessary. This helps to detect and resolve problems in a timely manner, ensuring the stable operation of the equipment. At the same time, the choice of reliable quality, stable performance of the key switch is also the key to extend its service life.